In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox error that says that the friend request already exists. Now, first step, what you want to do is you want to go to your Windows and search for run. Now in here, you want to search for %temp, %temp, and you want to press OK. Now from in here, you should have many different folders. What you want to do is click and press R to come to your Roblox. Then what you want to do is simply right click on it and delete. Once this is deleted, it will now reset. And what you can do is you can reload your Roblox. Press here, log out. And once you have logged out, you're gonna log back in. I have to add my email for recovery. You don't have to do that. When you log back in, the issue would be fixed. That's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.